Morning, everyone. Today, the title of my poem is Yes, I'm a Girl. Yes, I'm a girl. So, what do you think? That you could beddle my rights? You believe you can make me dance whenever it pleases you? What do you think? That whenever you feel like it, you can play with me? Yes, I'm a girl, but I'm not a bee. I will fight for my rights against anyone who opposes me. If necessary, I will take up arms. I will not fear. I will not go. And I will not stop back. I will still continue to move forward with unwavering determination. Yes, I'm a girl. My dream holds more than a strength than your attempt to stop me. I will soar to greater height, and you will only watch and obey. Yes, I'm a girl, but I'm not weak. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.